And welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the words this, that, these, and those. Generally, we use these words to make it clear what we are talking about. For example, this car is red. That car is blue. These people are happy. Those people are sad. We use this and that before singular nouns. This apple. This house. This woman. That chair. That book. And that cat. And we use these and those before plural nouns. These apples. These houses. These women. Those chairs. Those books. And those cats. We use this and these to talk about things which are close to us. And we use that and those to talk about things which are some distance away. Look at these sentences. Each sentence has a mistake. Can you find the mistakes and correct the sentences? Pause the video to give yourself time to think and to write your answers. When you are ready, return to the video. So, let's try correcting the sentences. In the first sentence there are more than one cat, so we need to use these. In the second sentence, the birds are quite a distance away, so it is better to use those. In the third sentence, there is only one car, so we need to use that. And in the final sentence, the lady is holding the dress, so she should use this. We also use this, that, these, and those to express the idea of here and there. This museum looks really interesting, suggests that we are actually in the museum. However, that museum looks really interesting suggests that we are not in the museum. Perhaps we are looking at a picture of it, or someone is telling us about it. We can also use this, that, these, and those to show distance in time. This film is good means we are watching the film now. That film was good suggests that the film has finished, or we watched it sometime in the past. When it is obvious what the noun is, we can use this, that, these, or those without saying the noun. Or, sometimes, we replace the noun with one or ones. For example, can I see that one in a smaller size? I'd like to try those on. Or, this looks delicious. Can I have these ones? It is common to use this and these when we introduce people. For example, this is my friend, Emma. Emma, these are my parents. And, when we are introducing ourselves on the phone, for example, hello, this is Susan Jones. Finally, there are some useful expressions which use that, which we can use in conversations or discussions. For example,
the weather's getting better now. It's so nice. That's true. We should do something. I think we should go camping.
That's a really good idea.
But we are so busy. We don't have any time. That's a good point. But next month, there will be a long weekend.
Oh yes. That's right. Let's go that weekend.
To practice,